Today I have something exciting to share with you. That is why I am really exciting. So it's time to tell you the 5 easy steps. By following this, you can able to be a fluent speaker. So let's get started. Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to my Facebook page as well as my YouTube channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you. That is why I am really exciting. Today in this video I am not going to show you the beautiful view from our roof. Today I am going to share with you 5 easy steps. By following this you can practice your English at home. So that is why I am really exciting about this. Okay, so yes, that is our roof and I'm standing as you can see here. So before going there, let me just start to introducing myself. My name is Porosh. I am a student as well as an English video creator. I love to make different kind of English videos. I love to go different kind of places and make videos. Many of you know that I have a Facebook page as well as a YouTube channel where I love to upload different kind of English videos. So that is my introduction. I don't think I should go on more on that. You might also notice one thing, that is my short hair. Just look at this. Well, I have been looking for a perfect day to cut my hair, and today's in the noon time I felt like it's the perfect day to cut my hair, and this time I'm going with a short hair, as you can see. Well, how do you think about my this short hair? Let me know in the comment section, or if you have any other suggestion for my hair, then you can uh, tell me on the comment section. Okay, so it's time to tell you the 5 easy steps. By following this you can able to be a fluent speaker. So let's get started. Now let's talk about how can you practice your English at home. Well, for me, practicing my English, the roof is one of my favorite place. Whenever I get time and chance, I love to come here and practice my English. Well, so my first tips for improving your spoken English and how can you practice your English at home will be talk to yourself. At first you need to talk to yourself. Don't be afraid to talk yourself because it helps you to speak English loudly, and it's very important. Well, if I give you my example, well, now I'm looking so many big buildings over there, as you can see, and I'm hearing birds, some birds actually chirping, and some noises actually comes from the roads over there. So this is how you can practice your English. Or if you stay in your home, then you can try to describe all the things that happening in your home, or the thing that's surrounding you. So this is a perfect way to practice your English at home and improve your English. So this is my first step to improve your English. Follow these tips if you want to improve your English. This is a very essential if you want to improve your English. Okay, well, my next tips for improve your spoken English or practice your English at home will be record yourself. Whenever you are trying to learn English, that time try to make some English videos. If you are watching this video, you might have a smartphone, and if you don't have, then maybe you have smartphone in your home. So always try to make a video, and after making your English video, and then try to listen your voice. That will help you to find your mistakes, and it's a great way to improve yourself. And always try to make videos. If I give you my example, whenever I stay at home, that time I'm trying to describe English story and record this on my phone. So this is a great option for improving yourself, and you can try this formula at your home if you want to improve your English. Okay, so if you practice regularly and make some videos, that will help you a lot in order to become a fluent English speaker. So follow these steps. Well, my tip number 3 will be read a lot. Always try to read English articles, English magazine, or English storybooks. That will help you to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Okay, so it's a great option. I have been following this from last 4 months. I started my learning English journey for last 4 months ago, and then still now I am trying to read English story, English articles all the time. And you can read English story, English articles places like this roof, whenever it's quiet and there is no people available. It's a great option. It will enhance your fluency and enhance your pronunciation in English. So you can do this at your home or some places like on the roof. When if you are live in the city, then you have these kinds of places in your home, then you can follow this step. My step number 4 will be practice with a partner. If you have someone in your family who is trying to learn English, you can practice with him. You can ask question each other. That is a great way to learn English. It will help you a lot. Well, if I give you my example, I have a friend whose name is Mujahid. He's a very good English speaker, and whenever I am working with him at the street, that time I always describe everything in English with him, and he knows a lot of things about English, and that's why I always try to learn from you. So if you have someone in your family who is learning English or who is better than you in spoken English, then you can make a conversation with him, and you can tell your mistakes on with him, share all the things with him, and he will give you some suggestion about this. So this is step number 4. If you want to improve your English, try to follow these steps. That steps that I'm telling you, it's very essential if you want to improve your spoken English. My last and final tips will be use online resources. There are so many online resources available. There are so many practicing apps available on internet. You can also watch some videos on YouTube, Facebook. There are so many good English speaker, good English teachers available on YouTube, Facebook. You can watch their videos if you want to improve your English. And when I started my learning English journey, from that time still now, I am watching videos every day on YouTube. YouTube is a great platform. If you want, you can spend your whole day on YouTube watching their videos. So this is another great option, I must say. If you want, you can follow YouTube, follow Facebook, follow some great English speaker, or follow some good English teachers. Okay, so they will give you a lot of good idea about how can you improve your spoken English. So that's all for now. I hope this 5 tips will be very, very essential for you. I'm not a fluent English speaker, but still I'm trying to learn English and help people to improve their English. So if you like this video, then of course you should like this video and give a comment if you feel like after watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page, because your support is my inspiration. So always try to learn English, always try to practice your English, no matter where are you, it doesn't matter. The matter is you are learning English. So don't feel shy to practice your English at home or places like on the roof. So yeah, that's the thing you can do. Always keep your chin up and try to do what you are actually trying to do. Okay, this is very, very important thing. Well, so I think that's all for now. Take care and bye bye. Hope see you soon on the next videos. Thanks for watching. All the best.